Welcome to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel. Hosts Kimmi and Jeff Nunnally, along with Alexis Franklin, share expert insights to help you launch and grow a successful mobile notary business, no matter what state you are commissioned in. Learn how to become a top-notch loan signing agent and get answers to common notary questions. Explore our all-inclusive $47 monthly training library, plus live weekly online coaching sessions with courses on general notary work, wedding efficient services, remote online notary, ink fingerprinting, apostille, translation services, and I-9 completion. So please remember that Notary Educators LLC is your one-stop shop for notary training. Now sit back and watch Kimmi and crew, and don't forget to subscribe to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel for more tips. Take your notary business to new heights.
You just never know. Charles says, I just got my commission number today in the mail. Congratulations to you, Charles. Yes, get it. Congratulations. If you do need training, you can check us out at notaryeducatorsllc.com. And again, any questions you all have for me, we can go over it now. I will discuss, oh, you're welcome, Dolores. I will discuss a little bit about the mentorship program. What's up, Lisa? So the mentorship program is, next month we're going to have 5 sessions because I'm going to, do a bonus session. I want to see how this goes. Just a meet and greet. I'm trying to get the community to help each other even more. They're doing an amazing job at doing that. But I think because we have so many new people, we just need to kind of come out. So we're going to do like a little meet and greet. I think it's the second Friday of next month. So anyway, look at the schedule because I got it on there. And I started about doing something spontaneous tonight, but I didn't know what that would look like. I didn't even know what my schedule was. When I go live here, it's just I got a few minutes. I'm like, okay, let me get this live in. My goal is to try to go live almost every day. Just like The View goes live every day. You know, what else come on every day? Sherry? I mean, everybody come on every day. So that's just what you do. So I'm not comparing myself to them, but I just want to go live every day. It's my goal for 2025. Just about every day. Monday through Friday. And The View just announced they going live on, not live, but yeah, I think live on Saturdays and Sundays, a new streaming thing they're doing. So any questions you all have, though, drop it in there. So anyway, mentorship is going great, but I want the group to come together even more. So we're going to do this, a special next month, have 5 sessions because we typically have 1 every week. So 1 week we're going to have 2. If you can't make the live sessions, then you can always catch the replays. And the replays are included, the mentorship. And the way it works is I typically like you to go through the courses, you know, as you're going through the course, because each course is going to build and build and build. And you shouldn't have to ask questions all day in the chat because we don't have time for that anyway. So I know some people may not like that, but, you know, if you're not a self-study person, then this may not be the program for you because you have to, and anywhere you go, nobody can just infuse it in your mind like by osmosis. You got to open up a book. You got to look at the course. I make it as simple and plain as I can for you, but you do have to do some work. And if you do your part, I do my part, you're going to blow up. I guarantee it. Okay? And we got some winners right here in this live with me right now. Charles says, I said, hey to Lisa. Charles says, so grateful that I found you. No coincidences. Not at all, Charles. So we can help you, you know, check out, yeah, because we got somebody that just got their first signing today. And this is the other thing when we talk as a group next week, I need to find out, can I just put y'all on blast? I mean, I really try to respect people's privacy. So we started the notary profile, and I wanted to do that weekly, but we only had 2 people sign up. So I don't just figure like you in my program, I get to do whatever I want to do with you or your information and stuff like that. I'm very big on respecting privacy. And okay, Lisa, see, I didn't know. I'm like, did she get sick of me talking about her? You know. So yeah, so anyway, because Lisa's blowing up stuff over there. Donna got her first signing. I'm so excited for her. Donna been with me for a long time, and she's had a lot of setbacks, but she got her first signing Lisa, do you recall what day she said it is? Because I wanted to go. Oh, it's next Wednesday. I remember because I wanted to go with her as her witness. That's why I was asking her. I'm consenting to be put on blast, learning from my mistakes, LL. Jasmine, I wanted you to submit yourself. I just knew you was going to be my next notary spot profile. So, hey, Pamela Gaskins, what's going on with you? I saw somebody else say something too. Yeah. Yeah, Jasmine, I thought you was going to be my next notary profile. So if you send me your information on notaryeducatorsllc.com, then I'll get you profiled. And so I can put you on blast. You guys are doing amazing. So, yeah, so Donna just got her first signing. So people are getting their signings. And it takes a little while to build your business. But if you do the program, it will work. It does work. I'm telling you. And these are people that Jasmine, Lisa, Donna, they know their stuff. They know their stuff. And that's because they put the work in, you know. And I know some people in the group, they get mad at me probably behind the scenes like, well, dog it, I'm doing something too. And I'm not saying no one else is not doing anything. They are. Everybody's progressing at their own rate. But I can tell who's really doing the program. And you work the program will work for you. It really will. And it's only $47 a month. You ain't going to find training no cheaper. And I just told my friend earlier, I don't know if I should tell y'all that. Well, we all fam. It ain't no big deal. We all go to Walmart. I am the Walmart of the notary space. My information is really valued at Mercedes-Benz cost. But I think like Walmart. I'm there for the people. And you will always win. You will always win. If you put the people first, yeah, could I continue to charge $400 or $500 per course? I mean, for the courses and stuff, yeah. But I really want people to win. And I had somebody buy a course the other day, y'all, because they are on sale, 60% off. Coupon code is WIN2025. And there's a question, how did you find me? And they said they're a family member. Your girl was so pumped up. Yes. They said, my family member. And I was like, okay. Jeffrey. Sorry, y'all, because he was trying to get something out this office. I was going to get it for him. Yeah, so anyway, they said they're family members. So that made me feel really good. You want me to hand you the Vaseline? Come say hi. Come on and say hello.
Hello.
Say hi, Jeffrey.
How y'all doing?
How did your signing go? I was just talking about divorce signings. Because I sent him to do this one today. Come on in for a minute. Yep, come on. You live, Jeffrey. How did your signing go?
The one yesterday?
No, the divorce signing today.
Oh, that was yesterday.
Oh, my bad. That was yesterday? My days are running together, y'all. Anyway, come in for 2 seconds and talk about it. Shoot.
So
I ain't got time for all this.
So real briefly, the signing went well. When you go to people's, when you're in the middle of things like that, you can, depending on the circumstances, sometimes people are still living with each other. They may have kids, and it can be a little tense or not necessarily. Well, it could be tense. It could be a little awkward. And in this case, I think the parents were still living together because they had young kids. And what I did was I made sure instead of having both of them sitting there, because one was in another room and I was dealing with the wife. So he came in and I gave his documentation. So I had him sign what he needed to sign real quick, just so that I could alleviate the tension for what it's worth. We've also done other divorce signings where it was like really emotional for.
I was telling them about the one at Kroger.
Yeah, she was crying and things like that. So,
and then how about the one at UPS when he was kind of snatching the stuff from her?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You have to try to navigate that and try to get things done as quickly as possible, but make sure things are done correctly, so that you can eliminate that type of atmosphere. So you don't know what's going on. I mean, you don't want to be the one to keep nothing going. It's probably something already going anyway, but you don't want to be involved in that as best as possible. So you have to read the room, read the atmosphere, and try to.
When you said that, remember that other couple that was super nice with each other where we used to live at? And we was like, why they getting divorced?
Yeah, we had something like that. Well, yeah, we couldn't believe it. We thought I didn't know. It was confusing. I didn't know who was getting divorced. I mean, maybe somebody else was getting divorced. Maybe they signed somebody else's
They
paper.
were so cool.
They were. You know, that was interesting. So you just never know what you run into when you're out there in the field. So the idea is just to be flexible.